Hello, Giselle here at Milam Truck Country, located off of 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a white 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500 HDLS. Does come with a 6.6 Duramax diesel engine. You have your alloy wheels here. Take a look on the interior. Also in the mirrors you have your turn signals. Comes with a gray cloth interior, AM, FM radio, CD player and cassette player, high and low gearing, and all of your power options including windows, doors, mirrors, and locks. The back seat does fit 3 adults comfortably. And you also have your rear climate and media control. And it does have a Class 3 tow hitch and a plastic bed liner. All of our inventory here at Milam Truck Country goes through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 253-845-1766, and thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.